Hello there, this is Interactive Bench, the place to be to get better at motion design. In today's video, we're going to create this simple yet fancy minimalistic title animation in Adobe After Effects CC. And the best part is, this won't take more than 5 minutes of your precious time. Actually, this is our new video tutorial series, so welcome to Motion in 5. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Firstly, of course, create a new composition, make it 9020 by 1080. I like to go with 60 frames per second to get smoother results. Hit OK. Cool. Hit Command T or Control T to bring the type tool. Click somewhere in the center and start typing. Let's type something like stay home, because it's the smartest thing to do these days. So let's align this thing to the center, both horizontally and vertically like this. If you can't find the Align tab, just check in your Windows panel right here. Now let's start animating. Open the text layer options, click on Animate, choose the scale, and let's add the position 2 like this. Okay. For the scale, check off the proportional linking icon, this one. Then bring the X value to 0. And for the position, let's bring our X position up to something like 960. And if we look at our options here, we got the range selector, which contains the start, the end, and the offset properties. We also got this advanced tab, but before getting to the advanced tab, let's make our basic animation. To do that, bring the time indicator to 0 and make a keyframe on the offset property by clicking on the stopwatch icon right here and bring its value down to -100. To make the second keyframe, push the time indicator to somewhere around 2 to 2.5 seconds. Click the stopwatch and bring its value all the way up to 100. In order to get a smoother animation, select both keyframes. Switch the graph editor by clicking this icon. Now let's smooth things up by clicking this curve button. Select the first point, hold its handle, and bring it a little bit to the right. For the end keyframe, hold and push it a little bit further to the left so that we get this kind of symmetrical curve. Great! So let's open the Advanced tab. By the way, we're going to cover all these options in future tutorials, so make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to keep up with all the new fancy motion design stuff. But for now, let's just change our shape mode to ramp up, and let's bring the ease high and low to 100. And we're done. Hit the spacebar to preview it. That's it. There you have it, guys. By the way, you can get this file for free in the description box below. Hope you learned something from this. If you like it, please thumbs up, and again, show some love and smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and see you in the next one.